We're at the Shirley Apartments, 10 Montgomery Avenue in Bala, Cynwyd. Beautiful day. Large, expertly run apartment building in Bala, Cynwyd. Beautiful stone, really nice landscaping. Building's under brand new management and is being very well taken care of. It's in a residential neighborhood. It's a really beautiful, beautiful place. This is one of the common area entrances. Doors are open now because they're doing maintenance work. But typically these are all locked and closed. Here is one set of mailboxes. Okay. And you can walk up the steps to the unit. But this is an example of what the common area is like for every single unit. Now we'll take you up to the unit.
Hey everyone, I'm inside for Hardie and I'm about to show you on a lower floor that you need to see is D3. I'll get in and show you the inside of the unit. Hey everyone, I'm about to show you a 1-bedroom unit inside 4 Hardie Street in Bala, Cynwyd. This area has one of the finest school districts in the area. I just walk into the unit. As you could see, the unit has a beautiful hardwood floor, very high ceiling, and a nice size living space. This is the living area. You'll be looking out to through the window to the back of the building. That is where I just came from. If you take that door, and the steps outside will take you to the Hardie for Hardie Street. This is the living room. It has a nice size living room. Here on my left, you have an island for a dining and also a huge kitchen. Let's get into the kitchen. The kitchen has a big window for natural light, and you have this beautiful modern kitchen, drop ceiling. The kitchen has upgraded countertop, a gas oven, a dishwasher, washer and dryer in the unit, and a built-in microwave, a lot of storage cabinet. You have it on this side, you have it here. You could see the living room from here, and that is the window to the back of the building. You have another door that takes you to the back of the building. You open this, you will be outside. Okay, then the next room I would like to show you is the bedroom. The bedroom has, this bedroom is huge. It's a big space, same as the kitchen and the living room. There is a huge window here for a natural light. It's a very good size bed. The unit has a central heat. For air, you use the window unit, And one of the nice feature of this bedroom is you have huge walk-in closet here. Big walk-in closet. It's a very nice looking apartment. And the last place I would like to show you is the bathroom. It's a beautiful bathroom. You have a tile floor. You have medicine cabinets. You have tile wall. Nice bathtub and shower combo. You have a toilet. You also have a window, frosted window for fresh air and natural light, same as the other rooms. It has a drop ceiling, and this is what these three look like. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.